And there is a big shark swimming right there. See if I can get him on video or not. Man, where did he go? He was coming right down the line here. Sheesh. Well, turn the GoPro on for nothing. God dang, but there is a stingray up here. And of course, right as I say that, he dived back down to the bottom. Okay, yep. So ain't got no content for y'all. No sir. He gone. Nice, boys. That is a keeper flounder right there. Yes sir. All right, got my trout, got my flounder. Let's make sure he's legal. Pretty sure he's probably legal. He might not be actually. 14. Not a legal fish. Man, look at them teeth. Golly. Actually, that's my first. Oh, he took a piss on me. This is my first fish today on artificial, besides a stupid stinking pinfish. But look at that thing, man. What a pretty fish. They all sit like that on the bottom, waiting on anything to come by. Gosh, this is one of my favorite fish to catch. Man, this has been a good jam up day. See you later, boy. All right, let's keep going. Holy shit. Oh, he broke off. Oh my God. Do this interview about these tarpon, this one tarpon that came out here and hit my stuff, but I'm getting bombarded with phone calls, telemarketers, my wife, of course my wife, I don't mind answering the phone for her, but like the whole time I'm trying to get my GoPro on to I mean, it was hurting my head, so I took it off, and I haven't had a whole lot of luck anyway with artificial. And then all of a sudden this tarpon, just obviously the biggest fish I've ever hooked onto in my life, just, I mean, hit the smallest little pinfish. And I mean, as you can see, I'm in like this backwater bay here. I mean, like, I would have never thought I'd have, you know, hooked into a tarpon back here like this. Oh man, that made my whole freaking year right there, fishing wise. Like, that was absolutely intense. Here we go again. Hold on, I just got hit again. Oh, it's not a tarpon though. Oh man, this shit's just getting me so excited now. Like, oh, Like, of course, if it was a tarpon or something, I mean, golly, I don't think lightning would strike twice like that. But man, I'm smoking these giant trout right here. I mean, this is another, you know, 18, 19-inch trout right here. I mean, super quality fish. Oh man, yeah, you're not a tarpon buddy, but hey, I'll catch trout like this all day long, man. I love catching trout. Trout are definitely one of my favorite fish to catch out here. I mean, I know a lot of people out here that don't like them. I don't really understand why people don't like trout. I mean, look how pretty that fish is. Super pretty fish. Really nice yellow mouth on him. All these beautiful spots. Thank you, buddy. Send him on his way. Live bait is absolutely killing it right now. I'm like, oh, you know what I just realized too? I think that freaking tarpon broke me off at my swivel. I had a swivel on here, which I don't normally fish with, but I was kind of just hard pressed to come out here, and oh, look at that trout swimming away on top of the water right there. I was kind of just hard pressed to get out here super fast, and I was rigged up for doing some like this is the fish that tarpon hit. Like, absolutely insane. I put on a much bigger hook now probably than I should, but I want to make sure that if there's more tarpon in this area that I get hooked up to him, and it's got a decent hook in him, because I don't want to be caught lacking again like I just was. I mean, this GoPro is staying on my head now. I don't want to take it off. I mean, that was absolutely incredible. And the fourth hook I've lost today. First one to a shark though, so I guess that's a plus. We go ahead and just bring this one in, because the last time I did this I got absolutely crushed. I love fishing so much, because I have to financially, oh, there he is again. Yeah, I bet he probably did come back up for more. I have to financially, Jesus, what the was that? Like, there's a whole ass bomb up there or something. Well, that's crazy. Expect that to happen. Freaking smoke and everything over there. Yeah, don't know. Anyways, just gonna keep fishing and minding my own business. Saw a meme the other day. It said, what would you do if a nuclear bomb hit? And the response on the meme was, pretty sure I'm working that day. My boss, he needs me to, you know, work that day. So I guess that's what I'm doing, is working. So it's the type of minding my own business I'm fixing to do right now, and just keep fishing. Woo, that was a slick cast. Come on, red. I would stand up and look around, but it'd be like a freaking sail. Where'd he get hit? No. Didn't surprise me though. Alrighty. Bunch of bait busting out there. Yeah, red, here, red, there, red, here, red, here, red, here, red. Whoop, there's a shark. That's always fun. Probably some mullet right here. Oh yeah. Nothing like tagging a mullet with your paddle tail. Ooh, there's a fish right there. Oh, get it, eat it, eat it, eat it. There he is. There's a red, boys. All right. Sight caught this big boy right here. Yes, sir. Come on, baby. That's what we want, boys. If we can get the old net out, net him out. Nothing like reds, man. Reds always fight hard, they fight good, always strip drag. Man, look how pretty he is in the water. I mean, look at that bright red color. Golly. Oh, don't go under here. Alrighty, there he is, boys and girls. First red of the day. That completes my inshore slam for the day. Get him up in the fish clips here. That is a nice red. Let's see, 1 spot, 2 spot, 3 spot red. Pretty fish, man. Let's measure him up. We are at, all the way to the tip, to the tail, 24.5 inches on this red. Sight cast with a paddle tail on a flat on a nice windy day. Beautiful, beautiful slot red. I'm not going to keep you out of the water too long, buddy. Man, what a beautiful fish. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right. There you go, buddy. And that, everybody, is an inshore slam. Flounder, redfish, trout. Do. Oh, that was something. Grass fish. I don't know, it might have been something. I just got smacked again. Right there. Another red. Let's go. Yes, sir. Now he knows he's hooked. Come on, Shirley. I'll come this way, you can come this way. Yes, sir. All right, boys. Man, this has been one heck of a successful day of fishing, I can tell you. God dang, something else blew up over there. Look at it. What the heck are they doing? Talking about my fishing day and they're over there throwing explosions off. Come on, open your mouth, Leroy. Nice little red. 1 spot red, no tags. Measure him up. Be 21 inches on the dot. Thank you, buddy. You're a beauty. day. Oh, I think we... All right, got a bite here on the live bait. Yep, it's a fish. Oh, it's coming right into me. Don't be a catfish. Don't be a catfish. Don't be a catfish. And it's a catfish. You see that? You see that? Freaking catfish, man. Alright. We're gonna do this without trying to sting myself here. Calm down. Calm down, little buddy. Calm down. Oop, missed. All right, there we go. Can't stand those catfish, man, but it is what it is. Part of the game. Still a fish. We aren't here to have fun, but man, take quality any day versus a pile of catfish. They're on something else here. I was beginning to think that one pinfish had some bad juju on him, so hey, we'll take it. Got a bunch of dead bait in here now, but it is what it is. They all eat the same. Not a whole lot of fish discriminate, I'll tell you that right now. Everything eats everything in saltwater. It's freaking amazing. You go in freshwater, it's not the same. Not even the same, not even close. Hooked up, baby. What we got? Nice. Big blue fish, baby. Man, these fish are fun. I guess that was what was patrolling over there. I slung it on something. Oh, I slung it onto something over there. I guess this is what it was, because man, he came up and absolutely crushed it. I'll catch bluefish like this all day, man. These things are so fun. Super acrobatic. Oh, yeah. Super acrobatic fish. Oh, he's barely hooked in there. I mean, he's hooked good, but he's barely hooked in there. There he is. Super fun fish, man. I enjoy catching these things. They fight hard too. See ya. So this is why I like Z-Man. Right here, this reason. I don't know how many fish I've already caught using the same Slam Shady I was earlier. I mean, all day. I've only put one on all day. I mean, he's a little tore up here and there, but still, you can use him. I mean, it's just amazing, these products right now. If I could catch a Slam Shady, you know, or like a Z-Man sponsor, you know, that would be pretty legit. I mean, I'm a Z-Man connoisseur here, I'd say. I mean, it's the most versatile bait I've used thus far. Man, you can't go wrong with how long they last. I mean, they last so freaking long. It's unbelievable. I mean, everything hits them. I've caught pinfish, needlefish, flounder, I mean, obviously you don't want to catch pinfish and, you know, all that other stuff. I saw a dark spot over there. I just wanted to see if maybe it was a red or something. Nice, that was another red. I'll call that a catch. 3 reds today. Look, he's finally, Z-Man's about finally had it. Let's go ahead and just put on another one. 3 reds today. Good day.